I do sense a mood of change here in Zimbabwe. I had the honour of paying a state visit here in 1995, but the country was very different. It was the breadbasket of Africa. And I came back in 2012 at the request of some women leading a women's group to help get gender equality into the constitution. And you have a good constitution as far as gender equality is concerned. I'm a little disappointed that although something like 2 million women have registered to vote, the number of women candidates has gone down. And there has been, a kind of attack on social media and elsewhere of women candidates. It's more difficult. So I hope that will change, because it's very important that women play a full role. And also civil society. We were very impressed to get an excellent briefing on our first full day from civil society, and then yesterday we went to the Citizens Manifesto Forum, where citizens were asking the right questions, and they were looking at these questions in depth. What is the economy we want? What is the state and government we want? What is the social services delivery we want? What is the environmental care we want? What is the society we want? This country has suffered too long from bad governance, basically, and it is so important that the opportunity is taken now to move forward in the way that all the parties have pledged, in peace and looking to a new Zimbabwe in the future. And we, as elders, really hope that this election will be a landmark election for this country.